stop wasting time digging through your application folder. Did you know you can force your Mac to show way more recent apps right here in your dock? By default, macOS only shows the last 3 recent apps. If you are multitasking, that is way too low. Here is the secret fix. First, open your system settings, then click desktop and dock. Scroll down until you see show recent application in dock. Make sure it is on. But wait, how do it more than 3? Because 3 is the default number. Open terminal and paste the exact same command which is in video description. When you need to change the recent apps number, like default is 3 and if you want to change this 5, 6, 10 like that, then change this number only and hit return. Boom, look at that instant productivity boost. I will leave the terminal command in the description below. Drop a like and subscribe for more Mac tips.